All right, 2021, we got Duck Stays in the Truck. Synopsis. I like how synopsis is on the inside flap. That's super, super cool. Whereas most books, it's on the very back of it, and you're just like, oh, okay. Love the art. Love the story. Bright text. Very helpful. Now I'm getting my second wind. Shit. Yeah, will I finish out the Click Clack Moo saga? Definitely. For sure, because I want to know how the hell it all ends. There's still more to read. Man, these books are super adorable, super light, fun to relax with. And so much fun. So, don't like it? Cool. You do? Epic. Next.